Hook, imagine being able to shop online, order a delicious meal, or even invest in your favorite cryptocurrency without ever revealing your identity. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're diving into the world of anonymous payments and exploring the question, can I pay without KYC? Context: KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a standard practice used by financial institutions to verify the identity of their customers. It's a crucial measure to prevent fraud, money laundering, and other illicit activities. But what if you're someone who values privacy and wants to maintain anonymity in your financial transactions? Part 1. The Basics of KYC. What is KYC? Explain the concept of KYC in simple terms, highlighting its importance in the financial industry. Discuss the common KYC requirements, such as providing identification documents, proof of address, and financial information. Why is KYC necessary? Explore the reasons behind KYC regulations, emphasizing their role in preventing illegal activities and ensuring the stability of financial systems. The challenges of KYC. Discuss the potential drawbacks of KYC, including privacy concerns, increased bureaucracy, and the possibility of identity theft. Part 2. Anonymous payment methods. Cash. Explore the traditional method of cash payments, highlighting its anonymity but also discussing its limitations, such as security risks and convenience. Gift cards. Discuss the use of gift cards as a semi-anonymous payment method, emphasizing their convenience but also the potential for restrictions and limited flexibility. Cryptocurrencies. Dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, explaining how they offer a high degree of anonymity compared to traditional payment methods. Discuss popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Monero, and their privacy features. Privacy-focused cryptocurrencies. Highlight cryptocurrencies specifically designed for privacy, such as Cash, Dash, and Beam. Explain their advanced cryptographic techniques and how they protect user identities. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Explore the concept of DEXs, which allow for peer-to-peer trading of cryptocurrencies without intermediaries. Discuss how DEXs can provide a higher level of anonymity compared to centralized exchanges. Part 3. The risks and considerations. Regulatory landscape. Discuss the evolving regulatory landscape surrounding anonymous payments and cryptocurrencies. Explain how governments are trying to balance privacy concerns with the need to prevent illegal activities. Security risks. Address the potential security risks associated with anonymous payments, including the possibility of scams, hacking, and loss of funds. Tax implications. Explain the tax implications of using anonymous payment methods, especially when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Discuss the importance of understanding local tax laws and regulations. Part 4. Ethical considerations. Privacy versus responsibility. Explore the ethical debate between privacy and social responsibility. Discuss the potential misuse of anonymous payment methods for illegal activities and the importance of responsible use. Balancing privacy and security. Discuss the challenges of finding a balance between privacy and security. Explain how individuals can protect themselves while maintaining a certain level of anonymity. Conclusion. Summary. Recap the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing the various anonymous payment methods available and their associated risks and benefits. Final thoughts. Offer your final thoughts on the topic, encouraging viewers to do their own research and make informed decisions based on their individual needs and preferences. Call to action. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel for more informative content related to finance, technology, and privacy. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.